Servus and welcome back to the Austrian German tutorial. Today we're going to discover 7 beautiful alpine flowers you might see in Austria. Imagine you're hiking through the Austrian Alps on a beautiful summer day, and everywhere you see colorful flowers. Do you know what these flowers are called in German? At the end of the video, we're gonna focus on the most famous alpine flower. So please stay tuned and let's go. Let's start with a flower that is almost impossible to miss. This is the Enzian. In English it's called Gentian, and in German der Enzian. One of the most remarkable things about the Enzian is the intense blue color. The Enzian is strongly associated with the Alps and mountain landscapes. Our second flower is the Arnica. Arnica, it's the same in English. This yellow flower is not only beautiful, it also has a long tradition as a medical plant. You may have heard of Arnica in connection with traditional herbal remedies. And so here's a useful word in that context, die Heilpflanze, a medicinal plant, die Heilpflanze. Now let's look at a flower whose German name is actually quite easy to understand. This is the Glockenblume. Glockenblume. In English, it's called Bellflower. Let's break the word down. Glocken means bells, and Blume means flower. So, Glockenblume. Number 4 on our list is a flower that looks quite different. This is the Silberdistel. Silberdistel. In English, silver thistle. Silberdistel. Now we come to one of my favorite German flower names. This is the Vergissmeinnicht. Vergissmeinnicht. In English, the literal translation would be something like, don't forget me. In German, Vergissmeinnicht. This word is a little longer, so let's break it down. Vergiss means forget. Mich is me. And nicht means not. So literally, Vergissmeinnicht, don't forget me. The next word on our list has a typical Austrian name. This is the Almrausch. Almrausch. In English, you often hear Alpine rose. In German, Alpenrose. And in Austrian German, it's mainly called Almrausch. Let's look at this fascinating word. Alm means an alpine pasture or mountain pasture. Rausch usually can be translated as something like intoxication or a state of excitement. So, Almrausch. And finally, we have reached the most favorite alpine flower of all. The flower that many people immediately associate with the Austrian Alps. The Edelweiß. Edelweiß oder Edelweiß. The name itself is interesting. Edel means noble or precious, and Weiß means white, so Edelweiß, noble white. Finally, let's repeat the new words we've just learned. Enzian, Arnika, Glockenblume, Silberdistel, Vergissmeinnicht, Almrausch, Edelweiß. Which of these flowers is your favorite? Is it the blue Enzian, the romantic Vergissmeinnicht, or perhaps the famous Edelweiß? I hope you learn some new Austrian German words along the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Austrian German tutorial for more Austrian German culture and everyday language. Have a nice day, see you in the next video, auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.